Money-making and fast growth have never been this accessible. What once required millions of dollars, giant offices, and teams of analysts can now be done with a laptop, an internet connection, and the right AI tools. Artificial intelligence has become the great equalizer. A young entrepreneur with AI knowledge and a small investment can shoot past billionaires with massive teams if those billionaires refuse to adopt AI. Even the world's wealthiest now admit if they don't learn and use AI, they'll be left behind. The question isn't whether AI will change money. The question is, will you use it or will it use you? Section 1. The new reality of money and AI. In today's technological atmosphere, AI is not just about robots or science fiction. It is about decisions. Faster decisions, smarter decisions, and more profitable decisions. Think about this. In the past, billionaires had entire research departments scanning through endless documents, earnings calls, and financial data. Today, tools like AlphaSense and Fiscal.ai, previously known as FinChat, can do the same financial research work in seconds that once took analysts weeks for anyone. In the past, companies paid consultants millions for strategy. Today, ChatGPT can analyze your market, outline a business plan, and even write your marketing content for free. The playing field has tilted, and those who understand this shift will ride the wave of AI-powered growth. Section 2. The practical roadmap: how ordinary people use AI. Let's break this down step by step. 1. Building side hustles with AI. AI allows people to start businesses faster and cheaper than ever. Content creation. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or blogs thrive on content. With ChatGPT, you can generate video scripts, brainstorm viral titles, or write blog posts in minutes. What used to take days now takes hours. Freelancing. A designer or writer who uses AI tools like Midjourney for images or ChatGPT for drafts can deliver work 3 times faster than competitors. Faster work means more clients, which means more income. E-commerce. Store owners use AI to analyze customer reviews, write better product descriptions, and even automate ad campaigns. A teenager with a Shopify store and ChatGPT can compete against bigger brands by simply moving quicker. Example. Imagine Sarah, a college student. She uses ChatGPT to script finance videos, uploads them consistently, and grows a YouTube channel. Within months, ad revenue and sponsorships start rolling in. Sarah doesn't have an office, employees, or investors, but AI gave her leverage. 2. Smarter investing with AI. Investing used to be about gut feelings or hiring expensive brokers. Now it's about data, and AI thrives on data. Quiver Quantitative tracks insider trading, government contracts, and lobbying data, the kind of hidden signals billionaires look for. Zacks AI uses decades of stock market history to predict trends. Kavout Chi-Score ranks stocks using machine learning, giving retail investors insights similar to hedge funds. FinChat instantly compares financial statements of companies. Imagine typing, compare Apple and Microsoft's free cash flow for the last 5 years, and getting an answer in seconds. Example. David, a part-time investor, doesn't have the resources of Wall Street. But with these tools, he builds a portfolio based on the same signals hedge funds track. Over time, he avoids risky stocks and doubles down on strong performers. 3. Automating business growth. Even small businesses can harness AI as a silent employee. Marketing. ChatGPT can generate email campaigns, social media posts, and ad copy. Customer support. AI chatbots handle routine questions, freeing owners to focus on growth. Data analysis. Tools like Tableau AI or even ChatGPT with spreadsheets can highlight sales trends instantly. Example. A small bakery uses AI to analyze sales and discovers that most orders spike on Fridays. They launch targeted Friday promotions using AI-generated ads, boosting weekly revenue by 20%. That's not hype, that's smart application. Section 4. The future of money and AI. So where is this all heading? Jobs will transform. AI won't kill every job, but it will transform them. A freelancer with AI becomes a powerhouse. A business owner with AI becomes more efficient. But those who ignore it, they risk being replaced. Markets will move faster. AI-driven trading and analysis will make markets more efficient. That means timing and insight matter more than ever. Investors who adapt will thrive. A global wealth shift. For the first time, a teenager with AI knowledge in one country can outcompete a billionaire company in another. The competition is no longer about size, it's about speed and adoption. New financial tools. Expect AI to merge with blockchain, personal finance apps, and even personalized investment advisors. Imagine an AI digital CFO that manages your money better than a human accountant. That future is closer than you think. Section 5. Warnings and mindset. Of course, not all that glitters is gold. Scams. Fake AI tools and get-rich-quick schemes are everywhere. Always verify before investing. Overhype. AI is powerful, but it's not magic. It's a tool. Results depend on how you use it. Human judgment. AI gives insights, but humans must make the final call. Never outsource your brain entirely. The winners of this revolution will be those who combine AI's power with human wisdom. Final motivational close. We are standing in front of the greatest financial shift since the invention of the internet. The question is simple. Will you be the person who waits, doubts, and watches others build wealth with AI? Or will you be the person who learns, implements, and crafts success with the tools already at your fingertips? Remember this. Billionaires are learning AI because they don't want to be left behind. If they can't afford to ignore it, neither can you. So start small. Learn the tools. Apply them in your business, your side hustles, your investments, your daily life. Every step you take with AI puts you ahead of those standing still. And here's something most people forget. Every revolution looks small in the beginning. When the internet first arrived, only a handful of people saw its true potential. Some laughed at online shopping, some ignored email, and some said social media was just a passing trend. The ones who acted early, the Jeff Bezos, the Elon Musks, the early investors and builders, they became legends of wealth. AI is at the same stage right now. To most people, it looks like a fancy chatbot. To you, if you're paying attention, it's the next trillion-dollar wave. And history shows us one truth. Those who act first, win first. But here's the beauty of this moment. You don't need billions, you don't need an army of employees, and you don't need to be in Silicon Valley. You only need curiosity, consistency, and the courage to try. AI will handle the rest. So ask yourself, 5 years from now, when AI has become as normal as electricity, where will you stand? Will you look back wishing you had started today, or will you look back proud that you saw the shift enacted? Because the tools are here, the opportunities are real. The future is waiting. This is not the time to chase money blindly. This is the time to craft it intelligently. This is the moment. Don't chase money. Craft it. Subscribe to MoneyCraft, where you learn to craft money, not chase it.